In the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, cold weather package. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.